Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing. And this time, as you can see, it's for FIFA 19 Champions Edition on the Xbox One. So I've just literally got back from the midnight launch for this here in the UK. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. Really looking forward to playing Ultimate Team as well this year. So, and the Champions League as well. It's going to be awesome. So obviously, as you can see, we got Cristiano Ronaldo and Neymar Jr. on the front. There's the side, and there's the back. Includes up to 20 premium gold packs, because this is obviously the Champions Edition. It's a Champions Rise. The UEFA Champions League comes to FIFA 19. Control the pitch, FIFA Ultimate Team. The Journey Champions. Install size is up to 45 gig, and it is Xbox One X. Enhanced 4K Ultra HD and high dynamic range. Inside, you obviously get the disc, you get the code for the Champions Edition content. You also get an advert for FIFA Ultimate Team, and you also get a standard manual. So yeah, I like the disc artwork. That's nice. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of FIFA 19 Champions Edition on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, I'll catch you later. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.